In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a teleform in website. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your dashboard and of course select the teleform you want to embed. Now, to be able to do this, you want to first publish it. So go to your specific form and of course you want to click on the publish button top right. And then when you've done that, go to the settings tab up top. And in here, you can see there's a bunch of different things. What you want to click on is share. And down here, you want to select where it says embed form, which embed you want. Okay, so we have like a bunch of different ones. You have standard, pop-up, and full page. I'm going to use the standard one right now. And of course, here you can change this as well to kind of see the preview on the right. And then all you have to do is select the options over here, change the height. You can toggle these things on or off if you want to, and then just click on get the code. Copy your code over here, go to your website and basically create a new code block or just paste it inside your HTML like this. And then as you can see, if I preview this code over here, it's going to essentially allow you to see kind of your embedded form. So if I go and change this to, for example, full page over here, I can get the code for the full page as well. And if I paste this in here, for example, like this, it's going to give me a preview in here as well. Okay, so that's essentially how you can do this. But usually I think you'll be using the standard over here, which is the most convenient, and again it looks like this. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.